Learn English to Gujarati. Come, go, and wait with.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Welcome to the polite door. Hey, you are about to learn some super useful Gujarati phrases for inviting, sending, and politely delaying people. And yes, a very dramatic imaginary door will help. Picture this. You are standing in front of the most emotional door in the world. This door has opinions. If it wants guests to enter, it sings.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
And also.
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
Both mean, please come, or come please. If the door wants someone to move along, it politely announces.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Or.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
And if the door is not ready yet, because apparently even doors need a moment, it says.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Today you will hear these again and again until your brain says, fine, I know the polite magic words now. Your core phrases. Let's lock in the key phrases first. Listen for the pattern, and notice how politeness keeps showing up. Come please, equals.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Please come, equals.
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
Please come, equals.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Please go, equals.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Go, please, equals.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Please wait, equals.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
A handy word inside several phrases is.
કૃપા કરીને.
Meaning, please. Another useful word is.
આવો.
Meaning, come, and.
જાઓ.
Meaning, go. For wait, remember.
રાહ જુઓ.
It sounds calm already, like a phrase wearing slippers. Mini story at the door. Now let's make the words memorable with a tiny story. You just need to imagine the scene and enjoy the chaos. You knock on your friend's door in Ahmedabad. Inside, someone drops a spoon, a cat runs past like it pays rent, and your friend finally opens the door. Smiling, they say.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
You step in. Then another guest is still outside in the rain, so grandma calls out.
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
Meanwhile, one uncle has finished his tea, his snack, and somehow half the family's peanuts, so the host gently points to the exit and says.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
At the same time, a child tries to rush into the kitchen, and auntie raises one hand like a traffic police officer and says.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Congratulations, you just survived the world's politest family scene. Say it in real situations. You learn faster when phrases live in real moments. So let's use them where people actually say them. At the door. Come please, we are waiting. In Gujarati.
કૃપા કરીને આવો, અમે રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ.
At the table. Come please to the table. In Gujarati.
મેજ પાસે કૃપા કરીને આવો.
If someone is ready, if you are ready, come please. In Gujarati.
જો તમે તૈયાર હો, તો કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Sending someone off politely. Please go now. In Gujarati.
હવે જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Permission or direction. Go, please. In Gujarati.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Welcoming someone in from outside. Please come inside. In Gujarati.
મહેરબાની કરીને અંદર આવો.
Asking for patience. Please wait a moment. In Gujarati.
કૃપા કરીને એક ક્ષણ રાહ જુઓ.
Quick dialogue practice. Now you answer in your head or out loud. If your neighbors hear you talking to an imaginary guest, that is called dedication. Guest. Can I enter? You.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Friend. Are we late? You.
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
Visitor. Should I leave now? You.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Person at the gate. May I go in first? You.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
Impatient customer. I need help right now. You.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's give your memory something fun to hold on to. Dramatic images help, even if they are gloriously ridiculous. Imagine a glowing front door with a golden sign saying.
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Now imagine a green arrow on the floor pushing people forward while a tiny cat in a bow tie says.
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
For waiting, picture a receptionist, a robot, and a parrot all raising one hand together and chanting.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
For an extra memory boost, connect.
આવો.
With, come over, and.
જાઓ.
With, go. And if you hear.
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
Imagine someone welcoming you in with chai, snacks, and the confidence of a 5-star host. Tiny quiz time. No stress. This is a friendly quiz, not a dragon guarding a grammar castle. How do you say, please wait, in Gujarati?
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
How do you say, please go, in Gujarati?
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
How do you say, go, please, in Gujarati?
જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
How do you say, come please, in Gujarati?
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
How do you say, please come, in Gujarati?
મહેરબાની કરીને આવો.
And another common version of, please come, is?
કૃપા કરીને આવો.
Friendly conclusion. You did great. Seriously, your imaginary Gujarati door manners are improving fast. Today you practiced useful polite phrases.
કૃપા કરીને આવો. મહેરબાની કરીને આવો. જાઓ કૃપા કરીને. જાઓ કૃપા કરીને.
And.
કૃપા કરીને રાહ જુઓ.
Keep repeating them out loud, use them in tiny role plays, and come back to this chapter whenever you want a quick review. Thanks for learning with me, and keep practicing a little every day. You are doing awesome.